Hi, it's Matt Easton with leasinguniversity.com, the #1 sales training platform in the world for leasing consultants and leasing agents. I want to give you a quick question that you can be asking your prospects. Now, it's up to you. You can ask them this on the phone. You can ask them this before you start the tour. You can ask them this during the tour. You can ask them multiple times. People love this question. Not only do they love this question because it makes you more professional, but they love this question because it helps them help you in selecting the right apartment for them. And I love the question. Here it is. How would your ideal apartment improve your life? Tina, let me ask you, how would your ideal apartment improve your life? Oh, great question. I am spending like 15 to 20 minutes every time I got to take my dog out, because where I'm living right now, there's no dog park, right? And it's concrete everywhere, and I got to walk Fluffy all the way across a busy street. And my dog, God bless her, she likes to get up at 2 o'clock in the morning to go to the bathroom. All I'm really looking for is a way that I can get her in and out to go to the bathroom, to go potty, and save myself the time. Boom! You know what? I got a great idea. Let's take a look at our dog park first. Let's head over there first, because I'm with you. I don't want you walking across a busy street in the middle of the night. Ask them, how would your ideal apartment improve your life? And they're going to immediately zero in on what's most important to them. It's so funny that you would think it would be so obvious for them to say, hey, I want to look at the dog park. But unless you ask them, hey, improve your life, ideal apartment, it's really difficult, number one, for them to visualize what exactly it is that they need. And number two, speak it or communicate it to you. So be a good therapist here. Grab your sword and your shield and take notes. Hey, talk to me about your ideal apartment and how would your ideal apartment improve your life? And then take the cap off your pen, put it down on your pad, and look at them, smile, and get ready to take notes. They will give you a ton of actionable information, and your competition is not asking questions like this. Now, if you want hundreds of other questions to ask, if you want the training that's going to help you ask them, most importantly, if you want to close more leases with less effort and less time, check us out over at leasinguniversity.com. And my name's Matt Easton. Until the next video, be great and get those leases.